Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Happy first day of spring. Apparently, Mother Nature did not get the memo because there are some snow showers off to the west. This is looking at Carroll College. 46 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Most of the state actually into the 40s, 50s, and we even had a 60-degree reading in Glasgow not too long ago. But west of the divide, a different story. We're in the 30s and low 40s. The wind has been very gusty throughout the day today, 20 to 30 mile an hour sustained winds with gusts of over 40 miles an hour in most of the state. A gust of 40 here in Helena not too long ago. High wind warning only in one small portion of the state, southwest Phillips County, for gusts up to 60 miles an hour near Zortman and the Little Rockies. But it is windy for everybody here, and it will stay windy for the next couple of hours. The wind dies down as the sun sets, but picks back up tomorrow morning along the Rocky Mountain front. Places like Browning, Choteau, Augusta could see those 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts once again, but at least tomorrow, maybe not any of the widespread 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts, maybe more like 30 to 40. So here's the radar. A lot of activity across the state, so we'll hop right into it. West of Helena, if you're going up to McDonald Pass, you're going to run into some snow showers. Descending into the valley, the Avon Valley there, Helmville, down to Deer Lodge, a few snow showers making their way through. Also up near Lincoln, Sealy Lake, some heavier snow at times. A little bit further towards the south and east, the Beartooth Mountains, south of Big Timber near Red Lodge, some snow activity there. And then some rain east of Fort Benton. Actually had a couple lightning strikes reported with these showers just about an hour or so ago. And even out into far eastern Montana, near Fort Peck Lake, south of Jordan, a couple of rain showers popping up, which could produce some lightning through the afternoon. So these afternoon showers will stick around, well, through the afternoon. And once the sun starts to set, that's when we'll see a decrease in the activity. A few thunderstorms possible in eastern Montana along a minor boundary that makes its way southeastward throughout the night. But overall, drier morning on Friday. We'll actually have a overall dry day in most of the state on Friday, partly to mostly cloudy in western Montana. But here comes another system. You can see this darker blue outline right there. That's another cold front that's going to make its way through around 2 to 4 a.m. on Saturday near Helena. Up towards Havre, a couple thunderstorms possible along this front, and then some instability, snow showers, some wraparound precipitation around the center of low pressure, and we could see an additional little burst of snow near Havre down to Lewistown as that continues to exit the state. So winter weather advisories have been issued not for today, but for tomorrow into Saturday, mainly tomorrow night through the day on Saturday, where we could see pretty significant snow in places like Glacier National Park down the Continental Divide, over a foot of snow possible in some of those higher elevations with blowing snow because it still will be windy. So Marias Pass, one of our areas of concern up there. We do have winter weather advisories for the mountains of southwest Montana, West Yellowstone, Little Belt Mountains. All could see up to half a foot of snow in some of those higher elevations as well. At least the lower elevations through about Friday night, not looking at anything significant, but as that front comes through Saturday morning, we could get a quick burst of snow near Helena, less than an inch. So we're not really going to get a lot of accumulation. A lot of the accumulation is going to be up along the Continental Divide. So there's the forecast for tomorrow. We'll be in the 50s here, a little bit of sunshine peeking through, but that front comes through Saturday. Much better weather ahead to start next week. We warm up into the 60s and 70s across the state.